How to fix WhatsApp verification code not showing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix your WhatsApp's verification code problem not showing. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings menu, and then from here you can just scroll down all the way until you find app settings. Tap on apps and then find WhatsApp from your app list. I can just go to the search bar and then find WhatsApp, tap on it, and from here you just want to go ahead and tap on force stop, because what it does is it's going to completely restrict all of the background activities. So if there are any background requests going on, it will completely stop them and you can try to send another code requests. Then you can go over to storage and then tap on clear cache, and if you want you could also clear data. And once that is done, you can go back and go to permission. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app. Then once that is done, you could just try to request your code again. If that doesn't work, then you want to go over to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp Business. Install WhatsApp Business on your device and then try to log in using WhatsApp Business. It should work and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.